Hello, how are you? Yes, okay, I'm very good. Now, can you speak louder while we start our test today, okay? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, very good. Okay, perfect. All right. Are you ready for our test today?
Yes.
Now, show your arm. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. All right, we started our test today with part four. Can you introduce a little bit about yourself? Yes, okay. Introduce it. What is your name? I'm Zati. Okay. So how are you?
Oh,
I'm eight,
I am yes. Oh,
6 years old. All right. Okay. Now your microphones speak louder while our test because didn't need to hear you clear. Okay. Yes. All right. The part two. What is your favorite food?
yes.
What is your favorite food?
So sorry.
Everyone knows food. What is Doraemon? What is your favorite food? I like fish. So what do you like? Do you like chicken?
No,
No. So do you like noodle?
right.
Rice. Okay, I like rice. Very good. Okay. Now the part two, we're gonna move for it. Can you summarize about the story Evil English Teacher?
Yes.
Okay, tell me. Evil English Teacher?
Sorry.
Tony, okay. E.
Bye.
Oh, he's very bad teacher. Okay, he's very bad teachers and
You
nice. Where did Tony come into?
class.
Yeah, one day he come into the class, all right? And who are waiting for him? Waiting for him.
Students.
All the students are waiting for him, okay? So, who are the students waiting for?
Tony.
Tony, yeah, waiting for Tony. Who is Tony?
Evil English teacher.
Yeah, Tony is an evil English teacher, okay? So, hold up Tony points and say, what is Doraemon's favorite food?
The girl.
Oh, okay, Tony points to the girl, and who hit the girl on the head?
Tony.
Tony hit the girl on the head, okay? So, what's body language? The Tony hit the girl. Hit the girl
The head.
on the head. Okay, thank you. The more the part three. Um. Miss Lisa is an evil teacher?
No.
Okay, who is an evil teacher?
Tony.
Tony. Yes. Okay. Zachi is an evil teacher? No. Okay, very good. So what subject does Tony teach? Does Tony English?
No.
Yeah, English.
English.
Very good. Tony teaches English. All right. The part four. Look at me. I will use my body language and you will guess what the teacher want to say. Okay? Yes. All right. Um.
All the students are waiting for you.
Because the student are waiting for him and.
Tony is very bad teacher.
Yeah, Sunny is bad teacher and Sunny is an evil teacher. Okay, the next one. Um,
Tony pointed to a gun and said, "What Doraemon favorite fruit?"
Okay, all right, Zai you're very good. Okay, the next one, you will the part five with presentations. Okay, Zai read for me once more words like this. Okay, read it for me.
The gun is very noble, she said. I don't know. The, the, the evil English teacher is angry. Hits her on the head.
Yes, okay, he's on again head. All right. Okay, that's it. We finished our test today, and thank you. See you the next time. Bye bye.